How you doing? Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. On the menu today, I'm going to be making this beautiful kidney and liver fry. Indian style, using lamb, liver and kidneys. It's very easy to make and it's absolutely delicious. Lots of black pepper in this one. Okay, so here I've got 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 large bell pepper, 3 or 4 dried red chilies, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, about the same of black peppercorn, cilantro or coriander, 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste, fresh chili, the amount is up to you, 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 of turmeric, and then here we've got our liver and our kidney. There's 450 grams or about a pound of each. Now, with these guys, you can wash them in vinegar, you can wash them in salt, you can wash them in lemon, up to you, but give them a nice little rinse in one of those. So I've got a pan here with some oil in. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something different if you want, coconut oil or mustard oil. In go our whole bits and pieces. Cumin seeds, black peppercorns, and and dried red chili. To that we're going to add the liver and the kidney now. High heat we're on. And we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes on a high heat. Keep it moving pretty much all the time now. Okay, so that's 5 minutes. Give it a nice head start. Next up, we're going to drop in 1 onion, salt, and to this one, black pepper, and like 2 lots of black pepper, a couple of teaspoons each, you know, like, or a couple of really large pinches. Again, keep it on this high heat and go for about 4 minutes now. Great stuff. Next up, we're going to add the garlic ginger paste. Now, garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We make it ourselves because we use a lot of it. Otherwise, you can buy it in a store if you don't want to make it yourself. To that, we're now going to add the tomato. We're going to add our fresh chili. And we're going to add our powders. So that's 3 teaspoons of chili, 1 of turmeric. If you want, you could add some cumin or coriander powder. I don't find it necessary in this. We might be adding a bit more black pepper later, ground black pepper, but we'll taste it. I'm going to give a kind of nice peppery flavour on this one. Okay, we're going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes. Try and cook those tomatoes down. Look at that, beautiful. Tomatoes have cooked down really nicely. Next up, we're going to grab those bell peppers. In they go, in the mix. Now, I like my peppers really kind of quite crunchy, so I'm not really going to cook them for very long at all. Let's get some cilantro or coriander, whatever you might call that. In that goes. Another big pinch of black pepper. Check it for salt, it's fine for me. Off goes the heat. That is done, lovely. Okay, and there you go, job done. Fantastic with rice, or like me, I would use bread for that, like a roti or a chapati or something like that. Delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.